What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, turn your post notifications. Today, we got something special. We got a snowed out version of the TPOB clipper and trimmer, as you've seen by the thumbnail. Made a promise to my mama that I gotta be better than I was. I'm just thoroughly impressed with the quality of the clipper. I'm thoroughly impressed with how it performs behind the chair. I've done countless reviews on the different colorways that came out, and every one of them have performed phenomenally. So shout out to TPOB for making a great product that is quiet, eats through bulk, etc., etc. You know how these plays are, just storming the barber industry right now. But today, like I said, we have the TPOB Play clipper. There's the Whiteout edition clipper, and then we have the TPOB Play trimmer, Whiteout edition trimmer there. So we're gonna get into these boxes, open them up, let you guys see what contents come with it and all that. You know how all these videos go, but these both are available on tpobplay.com. Use code JBlends to save yourself not 10, not 15, but 20% off of your purchase. So like I said, tpobplay.com, thepissedoffbarber.com. If you're overseas, the UK would be the fastest way to get any of these TPOB products, but you can use the code JBlends on both of those websites. And a lot of TPOB products, a good amount of TPOB products are also available on Amazon.com. So there will be a link below where you can go to Amazon for my storefront and be able to purchase TPOB clippers from there. So without further ado, let's hop into this unboxing, let you guys see what these two clipper and trimmer come with. And for this video, I'm not going to you know what, no, I'm not going to use the clippers actually in a video today. So this will just be the unboxing and review. I will include clips though of how the play clipper does operate with the other colorways. I'll let you guys see how it debulks and all that. These are no different from the other clipper and trimmer. These are just a different colorway. This is a Whiteout edition, Whiteout version for those of you who are interested in something like that. So with that being said, let's see what's in the box. Also, we have the TPOB Pro Play powered by Acme. We've got the trimmer with the charging dock. They're all white out. 3 hours runtime, pencil blade, 58 decibel motor. So this is a very, very quiet trimmer. We have our cartoon artwork on both sides. This is a flip top. On the back here, we do have the specs, some of the specs for the actual trimmer. It does come with the pencil blade with oil reservoirs. So this blade is the size, I would compare it to like an Andis Slimline blade. So that's the size of the blade. It's a smaller blade. It's perfect for detail work, stuff like that. Interchangeable rubber logos, just like the other plate trimmer. You got your switch, battery LED indicator light. Green indicates high battery, red indicates low battery, and a red flash indicates that the battery is empty and it does need to be charged. You have the interchangeable rubber grips as well, so you have your logo and your grips that change out, as well as the plate on the charging dock here. So it says TPOB plate trimmer equipped with constant torque technology, which keeps the motor running at a consistent speed. Patented Acme motor, which runs at 7,000 RPM. Ergonomic slim design with rubber grip and thumb indent makes play the most comfortable machine on the market. Quietest motor in the industry at only 58 decibels. 3 hours of runtime with a 2.5 hour charge time. Equipped with the pencil slim blade, perfect for line work and small details with a satisfying crunch. Rubber grips and TPOB logos for both machine and charge stand are fully interchangeable to customize your play looks. Gap blade tool makes adjusting your blade easier whenever. See instructions for details. So there that is. Let's go ahead and open it up and let you guys see what's in the box. You got your cartoon artwork up there as well. Like I said, it does come with a user manual, bottle of oil. You have your charging cord, US charging cord at that. You have a screwdriver to zero gap your blade, and then you also have a actual screwdriver to take the blade off if you wanted to. Let's go ahead and look at the charging dock real quick. So here is your charging dock. This plate comes off right here. So I told you I'm wrong. So what I'm assuming is this screwdriver is to take this off. Take off your faceplate. There's your rubber grips on the bottom. Gives you guys your voltage information. We have a Allen wrench here. Now this right here is what you're going to use to actually zero gap your trimmer, and I'll show you that here after we take this off. So go and take off this blade cover. There is the trimmer. Very, Very, very sleek design. I am loving this design. There is your charging dock, and you can see here you have your little screws at the bottom if you wanted to take this. So I'm assuming that hasn't came out yet, but I'm assuming that TPOB is going to allow you to have interchangeable rubber grips as well, but I haven't seen those out just yet. All right, y'all, so if you want to zero gap your trimmer, you're going to use the Allen wrench to put in this little hole at the bottom here, and that'll allow you to move the cutting blade up and down. But that would be for another video. We're just going to go ahead and take a look at it. So here is the trimmer. Like I said, very nice. You got the pencil blade on there. Very, very sleek and slim. Now, somebody posted in a barber group recently, like, what trimmer is good for kids, like, so you don't mess up their vertical bars. And I have to say that this is one that won't mess up vertical bars for a kid, because you know how the eyebrow is very close to the hairline for children, and their head's a lot smaller. So this right here, when you're doing the edge up on the vertical bars, it's very easy to use, and it's very comfortable, the ergonomics on it, but it's very useful in those areas for a kid, because you won't mess up their vertical bar, cut their eyebrow off, because this blade isn't that wide. So that's something that I do like about the pencil blade. It's good for detailed work as well. You have your thumb indent, there's your power switch, you got your rubber grip, you have some grooves in the back for your fingers if you're using it to bald out. And I will say that this is a debulk monster. The TPOBplay shines at that, most definitely. It's very quiet as well, very good for children in that aspect. Very, very quiet. Let me see. Let me go ahead and put the mic closer to the trimmer so you guys can give it a listen. Like it states on the box, very, very quiet, quietest in the industry. I have not heard a quieter trimmer or clipper, but that is the trimmer. One last thing before I put everything away, I want to go ahead and show you guys how the trimmer fits inside the charging dock. So that's it right there. It's a very nice fit. So you can see there, it's not going to wobble around too much, but it's also not so snug that you can't easily put it in there when it's in your station. So I like how that fits in there. Fits smoothly, fits good. It's going to sit on your station nice, and it's going to look very presentable. So y'all seen the trimmer. So here's the clipper, guys. TPOBplay, powered by Acme, 5-hour runtime, XO play blade, dual speed motor. This does have 2 speeds, has a low and a high, of course. You have your click lever there. You have your Whiteout edition with the charging dock to match. This is a flip top as well. You got your cartoon artwork on the side. Let's go ahead and flip it to the back and let you guys read that there. So this does say TPOBplay, powered by Acme, XO play blade with oil reservoirs, interchangeable rubber logos, 5-click lever, 2-speed switch, battery LED. Green on means the battery is high, red on means that the battery is low, red flashing means that it's empty. You have your interchangeable rubber grips. TPOBplay is equipped with constant torque technology, which senses blade resistance and revs up the motor speed so the clipper will never drag or stall. Patented Acme motor with 2-speed settings from 6,000 to 7,500 RPM. Ergonomic slim design with rubber grip and thumb indent makes play the most comfortable machine on the market. Quietest motor in the industry at only 58 decibels, 5 hours of runtime, 3-hour charge produces more than 5 hours of battery life. 5-click stretch lever arm opens up to a true 1. Equipped with the new XO Play Fusion blade with oil reservoirs to keep blade cool and smooth for much longer. So let's go ahead and get this opened up and let you guys take a look at what comes in the box. So cartoon artwork, as you can see there, user manual. You have your charging dock in here, of course. Got that Snow White edition. These faceplates do come off. You got your rubber grips on here, so that way when you put it down, it won't move. It keeps it sturdy. We do have guards that do come with it, and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what guards it comes with. It comes with there's your half guard through your number 4 guard. So we have the clipper, but underneath, I'm pretty sure we got a charge. So you have your charging cord. Inside this bag here, we have your oil, you got a cleaning brush, you got a zero gapping tool, and a screwdriver. Let you guys see the clipper here. So there is our TPOBplay clipper. Very, very nice, very sleek. Take that blade cover off. This is a 5-click lever system, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I love how the click lever is so smooth. This is so nice. There's your XO play blade, as you could see there. I will take this off so you guys can see the oil reservoirs underneath and how the oil will sit in there. Unscrew this real quick so you guys can see the oil reservoirs on the blade. This is something that has been on a lot of blades from a lot of different brands. This technology has been out for a long time. The candies from TPOB have had this oil reservoir in it for, since its inception. So if you take apart the candy blade on the one that looks like the slime too, it already had the oil reservoirs on it. Take this off here, and as you can see in the blade here, just the cutting blade, you can see those little reservoirs right in there. That's where oil will sit, and as it moves, it'll be able to like disperse the oil, and then oil also sits in here. So that's where the oil sits for that on the cutting blade. And then on your steel blade, you can see the oil reservoirs there. Oil will sit in this little part right here, this little part right here, this little part right here, and then also inside the teeth. And that allows it to just move a lot more freely, allows it to be quieter. It also allows it to not get as hot. So those are the oil reservoirs on the blade, and I think that's a cool add to the clipper. But you have your thumb indent, you got your rubber grips, you got your 2 speeds. There is your charging area, and this right here pops out if you want to hang your clipper, if you're one of those barbers. Me personally, not one of those barbers, so we'll keep that tucked in. But there it is, guys, the tpobplay clipper. I'll let you guys hear it. It does have 2 speeds, like I said. Overall, guys, just a very, very sleek clipper. I'm really loving this, the look to it. But I'll let you guys see how it sits in the charging dock real quick. So just like the trimmer, sits in the charging dock very nicely. I like how that looks. It's not going to go anywhere, but we'll go ahead and also snap on a guard so you guys can see how that snaps on. So just snaps in just like that. Can't really mess that up, guys. And these little clips, they keep the guard very snug on the blade. I like how that is. I don't really use any of these play guards. I'll show you guys what guards I use and what are going to really match good with this clipper. So I do suggest these guards more if you are a wall guard type user. So these are the slime magnetic guards, single magnetic guards from TPOB. I love these guards. I have the green ones at the shop, and the white ones do come with the I just did a video on the slime 2, and those work phenomenally. I love these single guards. They're very, very strong magnets. But this slipped right back in. But anyways, here we go. So right here, this is your one guard. Sits on there nicely. It's a very, 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 very powerful magnet. I really dig these guards on this clipper. So you can see it's just completely whited out now. I like how that looks a lot more than the black. And also the green accent, the green LED indicator light with that all white looks really sick. So I really enjoy this clipper, how it looks, and I can't wait to get in the shop. So I'm gonna have to do a full-on haircut with this combo so you guys can see how it operates behind the chair in another video. So y'all stay tuned for that. All right, y'all, so there you have it. You have the tpobplay trimmer whiteout edition and your tpobplay clipper whiteout edition. These two right here are very, very sleek. Just my first hand look at the colorway, I really enjoy how it looks. I really enjoy the click lever. I'm just a big fan of the play clipper overall. This is one of the clippers that sits on my station at all times out of the TPOB catalog. I've had the play now for the original play that I got, the prototype. I've had it since last January. That prototype is still going strong, still quiet. So I can only imagine what these are going to run like as well. So I'm thoroughly pleased with the aesthetic. I'm thoroughly pleased with the operation because I know they're going to perform well, and I just can't wait to get them in the shop and let you guys see how they work. If you haven't tried the play yet and you're on the fence, like, should I try it, should I not try it, my suggestion is that you just try it. I mean, for 100, I think like one of the plays is like $99 on Amazon. These specifically, I believe they will be available on tpobUSA.com. So you can go to tpobUSA.com, use code JBlends to save yourself 20% off your purchase for there. And Amazon is extremely cheap, and there's so many teapot products on there. Also, the guards, I believe, are available on Amazon.com, and they're available at tpobUSA.com. And then also, like I said, if you're overseas, you could use thepissedoffbarber.com, and J Blends will get you 20% off of that as well. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys go cop it for yourself if you haven't tried it. A lot of times, so many people ask me, like, what do you think I should get? Should I get this? Should I get that? Would you prefer the X trimmer over this, or would you prefer the XO trimmer to this? Do you prefer the play trimmer to this? And one of the things that I always tell people is that you have to try stuff for yourself. We as people have so many different opinions, so many different tastes, so many different, things that we like, things that we don't like. So the biggest thing I could tell you is to actually try things for yourself, because you could always flip it. Say you bought the clipper or trimmer, if you don't like it, you could sell it to somebody in your shop. I guarantee somebody else will buy it. You can make almost your money back if it's practically brand new. And I've done that numerous times. Before I started working with the TPOB brand, I was doing unboxings and reviews for so many different clippers from different companies, and there were certain things that I did like, certain things that I didn't like. So a lot of times, if I didn't like the clipper, I would go sell it, or I would go and do a raffle, or sometimes if I was feeling nice, I would do a giveaway. But that's beside the point. My point is that you could either bless somebody with it if you don't like it, or you can get your money back in some form or fashion. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed this overview and look at what comes with this clipper. The TPOB brand is just constantly elevating. I'm grateful to be a part of the ride. So make sure y'all go follow the Pissed Off Barber on Instagram, YouTube as well, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. I got more videos to come. I will have a video out using these, so just stay tuned. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. I appreciate each and every one of y'all's support. Without y'all watching these videos, there would really be no point to making any of these videos. So I do this for y'all. So appreciate each and every one of y'all. Until next time, God bless.